Now, what is water ionizer? We can say it ionizes water, but it doesn't tell much. It splits the water molecules into ions, and that's something. Basically, a water ionizer produces alkaline water, neutral water, and or acidic water by adjusting certain parameters in the ionizer. Now, the ionizer works on the principle of electrolysis. Basically, electrolysis is used to decompose or split the water so that it produces hydrogen and oxygen gas using current. Now, in terms of the water ionizer for producing drinking water purposes, it basically split the water molecule into hydrogen ion, which is represented by H+, and hydroxyl ion, represented by OH-. Now, by applying different current, we can actually change the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions, therefore controlling the pH of the water. Now, this is a basic design or the structure of a water ionizer. As you can see, it consists of two chambers. Okay, this is a simplified diagram just to illustrate what is an water ionizer. There are two chambers separated by a special membrane. In one of the chambers, you have a negative electrode. In the other, you have a positive electrode. And electric current is applied to the electrodes. When the current is applied to the electrode, what happens is the positive ions will be attracted to the negative electrode, negative and positive. Okay, the negative ions will be attracted to the positive electrode. Okay, now let's talk a bit about our water supply. Okay, most of the city supplied water contains both acid minerals and alkaline minerals. Why is that? Now, before the water can be supplied to our homes, to the tap in our homes, the city or the municipal body needs to add acid minerals to kill living organisms and microorganisms. This could be harmful to our body. And the reason for adding alkaline minerals is that when they added the acid minerals to kill the living organisms and microorganisms, the water becomes too acidic. Okay, so what they do is they add alkaline minerals to make the water not acidic. Okay, may not be alkaline pH, but rather to neutralize the acid so that it's probably near neutral pH. And in Malaysia, as you can see, if you measure the pH of the tap water is around neutral. Okay, now the acid minerals normally contained in our tap water are sulfur, phosphorus, and chlorine. Okay, and sometimes the chlorine is so strong that you can even smell it in our tap water. The alkaline minerals would be things like calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. Okay. Now, coming back to the water ionizer, basically the negative electrode of the ionizer will attract the positive minerals, okay, which are the alkaline minerals, okay, which are things like, as you can see from above, alkaline minerals, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. Whereas the positive electrode will attract negative minerals, which are sulfur, phosphorus, and chlorine. Okay, so this is a basic structure of a water ionizer machine. Now, in most of the commercial water ionizers in the market, normally, they would include a filter of some sort to take out to further take out things like chlorine or bacteria and so on. It's like any decent water filter used in household. Okay, so that the water that is fed into the water ionizer is clean enough for the purpose of drinking. Okay. Now, most of the commercial water ionizers in the market are for the purpose of producing drinking water. However, some of them do come with extra functions and features, and some of them may produce very high or very low pH water for cleaning or sanitation purposes. And some of them may have things like beauty water, which is around a pH of 4.5 to about 6 and so on. Now, the brands of water ionizers available in the market will be addressed in another article.